The code of tapered roller bearing. In the last video, we introduced the basic code of needle roller bearing. And then we will learn about the code of the tapered roller bearing, which is also special. The standard tapered roller bearing in accordance with GB T 273.1 has the code consisting of the basic code and the suffix code. The basic code consists of the bearing type code, the dimension series code, and the bore diameter code. The type code uses the letter T to indicate tapered roller bearing. The dimension series code consists of three parts: angle series code, diameter series code, and width series code. Such as O to BC. The first part, 2, is the angle series code, which indicates the range of the contact angle, and the specific code and meaning are shown in the chart. The second part, B, is the diameter series code, which indicates the range of the relationship between the outside diameter and the bore diameter, and the specific code and meaning are shown in the chart. The third part, C, is the width series code, which indicates the range of the relationship between the width of the single roll bearing and the height, and the specific code and meaning are shown in the chart. The bore diameter code is a 3-digit number of the bearing, bore diameter in millimeters. Now, let's look at the example of the basic code, T2ED020, where T is the type code, which indicates the tapered roller bearing. 2ED is the dimension series code, where 2 is the angle series code, E is the diameter series code, and D is the width series code. O20 is the bore diameter code, which means that the bore diameter of the bearing is 20 millimeters. The suffix code of the tapered roller bearing can refer to the suffix code of the rolling bearing, except for special cases, such as the suffix code B of the large contact angle bearing.